Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings and welcome. First, SIGAI Student Research Symposium. I am very thankful to the organizer of the symposium who provide me an opportunity to share my ongoing research in this esteemed forum. The topic of my study is artificial intelligence adoption factor in the university libraries of Pakistan, UTAUT framework. This is a PhD research conduct under the supervision of Professor Dr. Rubina Bhatti and co-supervisor with Dr. Salman bin Naeem from Islamia University, Bhavalpur, and with my mentor, Joanna Richardson, ex-library advisor, Griffith University, Brisbane. And I am your presenter, Muhammad Yousuf Ali, PhD scholar and working at Aga Khan University as Associate Librarian, Reference and Research Support Department, Faculty of Health Sciences Library. Artificial intelligence is one of the most advanced technology that impacts in the all walk of life. AI is also impact in the libraries and librarian life. This study is described about the artificial intelligence adoption factor in the university libraries of Pakistan. The Unified Theory of Acceptance and Use of Technology, UTAUT model, is used to the adoption of technology. United Nations Information Economy Report, UNCTAD in 2017 described artificial intelligence defined as the ability of machine and system to acquire and apply knowledge and to carry out intelligent behavior. This may involve performing various cognitive tasks such as sensing, processing oral language, reasoning, learning, decision-making, demonstrating, and the ability to manipulate objects accordingly. There are different AI-based studies conducted in the different contexts of artificial intelligence and libraries. Since last 1 decade, AI debate become very hot issues in the library. Some important studies, Mogali in 2014, Johnson in 2018, Assimi and Assimi in 2018, and Cox and ETL in 2018, discuss the AI applications in library and future of AI in library. UTAUT model presented in Venkatesh and ETL in 2003. This model is tested by the Zainab and ETL in 2018, RFID adoption in libraries, and reuse in recent study determine the AI and other related technology in the libraries under the framework of UTAUT. Khan and ETL and Digital Reference Service adoption determine the university libraries of Pakistan. And many other studies like ebooks adoption and digital libraries are conducted by the various researchers and scholars. This table is described that how possible artificial intelligence effect in technical and user services of the libraries. UTAUT model, the basic component, there are the 4 independent variables like performance expectancy, effort expectancy, social media, social influence, facilitating conditions. These are the independent variables. And there are the 4 moderating variables like gender, age, experience, and volunteer. And use to intention or adoption of technology or behavior to use, behavior, intention, and the outcome variables or dependent variable is behavior to use. This is the original model, and we are further modifying in these model in upcoming slides. The objective of the study. The main objective of this study is to determine the attitude of librarian to adoption of the libraries, and attitude is the additional construct used in this model. To carry out this research, hypotheses were developed, and these are the modified model, and we have used the additional construct attitude, and 5 hypotheses were 5 hypotheses were constructed, like H1, performance expectancy is a significant impact on the attitude to use of AI technology in libraries. Hypothesis 2, H2, effort expectancy is significant impact on the attitude to use AI. And H3, social influence, SI, is a significant relationship with the behavior intention, and facilitating condition is a significant relationship with the behavior intention. And hypothesis number 5, attitude, AT, is significant impact on the behavior intention, BI. Research methodology. This is a quantitative study, and survey methodology is used, and questionnaire is the data collection. University librarian working in a public and private sector universities are the respondent, and total 245 responses received from out of 300 respondents, and data analysis in the SPSS and version 23 and MOS 23, and structure equation modeling is used to test and fit the model. The descriptive data is not shared here, and we have just I'm just going to present the initial model with the 4 hypotheses and their values, which is not fit. And as per the Cow and Newell in 2019 suggested, the acceptable minimum value is chi-square is less than 3, but we have received the value of 3.122, and comparative fit index is less than greater than 70, and we have a strong value 8.23, and goodness of fit of index is also greater than 70, 0.7, and we have 8.39, and we have the root mean square and error explanation is which is very high, 0.96. And here is the column 1, we have the ideal value, which is being mentioned of the chi-square, CFI, GFI, and Ramesha, which is 0.05. We have modified the model to fit the model. In next slide, we have seen how the model is being fit, and we have created the various correlation. So we have created the correlation among the same group error rates, and we have find out between a value between the ideal and acceptable value, which is very close and fit our model. And we have also created some correlation as per the suggested during the test by the modification index. So the new values is the chi-square is 2.061 with the degree of freedom of 337. CFI is greater than 0.9, and we have the 9.14 as per the Alveshdesha. And footness of good is also, we have a very good value, is 8.39, and it is we have received the Rameza value, root mean square error approximation is 0.066. So the 4 hypotheses we have tested, and then results of p-values are showing that performance expectancy, P is a significant impact on the attitude of use of AI, and PE is also significant impact on the attitude. It is also supported. And social influence, SI, is also significant relationship with the behavior intention. It is also supported. Hypothesis number 4, facilitating condition is significant relationship with the behavior intention, and the hypothesis value is not supported. So there is no significant relationship between the facilitating condition and behavior intention. And attitude is also supportive and significant impact on the behavior intention. So the finding is that all the hypotheses have significant relationship except the facilitating condition and behavior intention relation. It does not have significant values. And finding of this study is that attitude is one of the important construct to the adoption of AI technology. adoption in the university libraries of Pakistan. Conclusion: AI is one of the emerging technology in all the walk of life, and libraries also adopting this technology. AI in Pakistani libraries, AI technology attitude is one of the major factor in the university libraries of Pakistan. However, facilitating condition and behavior intention does not related to each other. Your recommendation: AI technology under the UT framework can be tested for the further study in public and special library with the additional construct of attitude. And these are the references which I use in this presentation. You all can follow me on Twitter and ResearchGate Mendeley, Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as my YouTube channel, 5 Minutes Information. I welcome you all. If you have any query, and I try to respond your question and answer. Thank you very much for your patience and time. And that's end from my side.